Hi there, students. Dismal, dismally, an adjective and an adverb. Nowadays, dismal we most commonly use to mean bad quality, poor quality, low standard. Yeah, something that lacking skill or lacking interest, something done without motivation. So my exam results were dismal. They were really bad. This restaurant serves some really dismal food. Yeah, poor quality food. Yeah, the food in McDonald's is really dismal. So dismal also means dark, gloomy, depressive, something that's discouraging, yeah, somber or bleak. So the outlook for the economy is pretty dismal, yeah, it's depressing, it doesn't look positive. The weather today is fairly dismal, the sky is grey and it looks like it's going to rain. Yeah, so something that makes you feel unhappy, something that takes away your hope or enthusiasm, yeah, makes you feel a bit miserable or depressed. Okay, they constructed a dismal building, yeah, it looked boring and grey and depressive, yeah, and I don't think anyone would really want to live there. Yeah, so down, when you don't feel very good. He was in a dismal mood, a depressed mood, and depressing, both work. Okay, something that's bleak or dreary as well. So dismal, bad quality, or depressing makes you feel bad. So I don't know, his performance in the competition was dismal. It was dreadful. It was really bad quality. He has a dismal record when it comes to paying back debts. A really bad record. My project was a dismal failure. Yeah, a bad failure, a serious failure. Okay, he's in a dismal mood, a depressed mood. Do you have a dismal job, or do you have an interesting job that motivates you? Okay, so something that's dismal is bad and or depressing, makes you feel demotivated, makes you feel sad and down. Now, the origin of this word is quite interesting. It comes from medieval Latin. In medieval times, they used to believe that there were 2 days in each month that were unlucky. They were unlucky days. And in medieval Latin, they had the phrase dies mali, evil days, bad days. Dies mali, yeah, dismal. I think the word dismay is also linked to this root. Okay, so in those times there were certain days that were unlucky, so they were dismal, depressing days, because you didn't want to do anything. It was very discouraging because you weren't going to be successful. However, nowadays mostly we use dismal with this idea of bad, yeah, not up to standard. Okay, so dismal weather, bad weather, but also depressing as well. Yeah, so it's bad but with overtones of darkness, depression, lack of enthusiasm and things like that. Yeah, he used to speak dismal English, But then he started watching my channel and things changed. So, what about formality? I think using dismal to mean bad is neutral formality. You could quite easily use it in an informal conversation. I think you could also use dismal, but with the gloomy or depressive meaning in a very formal piece of work as well. Yeah, I'm not sure I would use his performance was dismal as a formal in a formal piece of work, but he felt dismal. The day was dismal, a dismal building. That you could use in a very formal sense, but in the sense of bad quality, I would use that in more informal circumstances. So, dismal, bad, poor, dreadful, low standard, without skill. And then on the other hand, gloomy, depressive, bleak, dark, somber, miserable. Okay? So, there you go. Dismal as an adjective and the adverb dismally. So we performed dismally. The economy went on dismally. Yeah? So, as an adverb. Anyway, enough. Dismal. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. I hope the video wasn't dismal. I'll have to improve the light somehow. Bye for now.